After our 2-hour flight, we arrived at Bangkok's Don Mueang Airport. We were really excited about our trip here for the Songkran Festival. In this video, we take you to Rot Fai Ratchada Train Market. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're having a great day. Bangkok City arguably has the biggest and best markets in Southeast Asia. It's got floating markets, food markets, flower markets, and there's this special one, people like to call it Rot Fai at Ratchada Train Market. So let's do what we came here for actually, and that's find food. So come on folks, let's go and explore. It's got a nice mix of everything. The atmosphere here is vibrant and full of energy. This particular market is by far a night market every visitor to the city of Bangkok needs to visit. And eventually you will also encounter people queuing up for this strange looking mega of a dish, which we incidentally found out later to be pork ribs, but also very surprising because the restaurant signage showed it as seafood. Funny how that came about. A lot of their dishes embodies what's truly Thailand, meaning to say most of the dishes will be filled with loads of lime juice, fresh crispy vegetables, lots of vinegar, peppers, chili, and beware because most of the dishes can get extremely spicy. For dinner we ordered pad thai and some papaya salad. And that definitely felt like a volcano erupted in our mouth. Totally spicy.
So delicious, though.
And definitely no menu is fixed if we do not have Thailand's famous spicy mixed soup. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm a sucker for tom yum. So we definitely tried that one out and it was fantastic, totally fantastic. Incidentally, we were told that tom yum gong, there's a meaning to it. Tom yum meaning mixed soup and gong meaning prawns. And after a spicy meal like that, we had to definitely cool it down with no better drink than the famous Thai tea. Absolutely stunning. What a great night we had. Fantastic, really good experience with large crowds, great shopping variety, unique array of foods to try. You ultimately forget how hot Thailand can be. In conclusion to a wonderful night market tour, we couldn't be more happier and would highly recommend anyone visiting Bangkok to come and explore Rot Fai Thai night market. Loads of varieties, tons of different shops, be it food stalls, live music, delicacies, clothing, souvenir, you name it, it's all here. We're definitely giving it up 5 star.